guys, this is going to be a quick one, so I'm going to get started. I'm mixing these two primers together to lay down a dewy base. Next, I'm using an orange corrector to cancel out any dark areas. Using a lightweight fluid foundation, I'm going to sweep this across the face and work it into the skin. Next, I'm going in with a concealer and using this to highlight under the eyes and any other areas to brighten the complexion. This is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection brush, and I use this brush 90% of the time to complete my base. Then I'm going to move on to the highlighted areas and use a loose powder. This particular one has a matte finish, so I'm only going to set the areas that I get oily, and I'm using pressing and rolling motions. I'm using a neutral bronzer to warm up my skin. This one has a beautiful satin matte finish. I'm picking up this highlighter that is close to my skin tone, and I'm going to sweep this all across the face for an all-over sun-kissed glow. For a more concentrated highlight, I'm using a bright gold highlighter and concentrating this on the high points of my face. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm using this muted gold liquid as my base. Next, I'm going to contour and darken the outer V with a medium copper waterproof eyeliner, making sure to blend as I go along. This will add some dimension to the eyes. Apply this to the bottom lash line and smudge it out to soften the eyes. Then taking a medium copper bronze eyeshadow, I'm going over the areas I applied the eyeliner. This makes the eyeliner last longer and gives the eyes a polished look. Taking a lighter champagne shade, I'm going to add this to the inner corners. This makes the eyes brighter and more awake. Next, I'm curling the lashes and adding a generous coat of mascara. Falsies are optional, but they do draw attention to the eyes. I like to use a natural pair of lashes such as these ones from Kiss. Taking a black eyeliner, I'm only lining the upper waterline. For lips, I'm applying a peachy nude lip cream and adding a clear gloss on top of it. I forgot about blush, so here I am applying a neutral pink shade for some color. And here's the look with a natural lip option. Now I wanted to spice things up a bit and decided to go for a bright orange lip. Perfect statement lips for those summer nights. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and thank you for watching. Bye now.